the 3 reasons why Bravo chose to use the demand and supply trading strategy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Bravo Trade Academy Global fan page, and today you are with Coach Mukmik again. I am having a lot of information for you today. So the first thing that I am going to talk you through is that this is our main strategy that we use for our trading system, and I want you to know why and what's the importance of this strategy. Alright, so what is the demand and supply? It is actually the strategy invented by Sam Seiden, and I really want to thank him because this one works really well. Alright, so the demand zone, it is the price range that traders making buy orders. Alright, it's actually the majority of traders, whether it is going to be the institutional traders or the freelance trader, like all of us. Alright, and what about the supply zone? So for the supply zone, it is actually the price range where traders make the selling orders. So it's the other way around. Alright, so if we can identify these zones, we will know where to make a buy order and where to make a sell order. So that's really important. So next, why demand and supply? Okay, so the first reason is that it is the pattern that the big funds are using for entering their trades. Alright, so if you can see here, if the big funds execute their selling orders, you will have these patterns. I will have for the next episode, I'll show you how to identify them. This is just the basics. So if we see the price pattern that the big funds are actually taking action at this price range, we will wait for the price to come back and then make a sell order there, which is the follow sell from the big funds pattern. Okay, these again, we can see the pattern of a supply zone, and we will wait for the price to come back to this range and we'll make a sell order. This strategy, as we're entering the trades at the same point as the big money, so the big funds, it is giving us a very high win rate, so that's the good thing. Alright, so what about the demand zone? So for the demand zone, we will see this pattern of being a demand zone from a big fund that executes their buy order, and we will wait for the price to come back and take the action here for trading buy. Okay, we have another demand zone here and another demand zone here. We will wait the price to pull back here and then enter a trade here for buying. Alright, so that's the pattern that we use to detect where the big monies are. Okay, the second reason is that it is very simple and very easy to use. Okay, and once we know how to use them, it is very easy to make a plan. So that includes your entry points, your stop loss, and also your take profit points. At this point, I'll give you the information about the stop loss first, because that's the most important thing when you enter your trades. Because when you know where to, I will just take the stop loss here, it means that you know how to manage your risks and also your money. Okay, so stop loss is the most important thing when you execute your order. For the selling plan, you will need to enter the trades at your supply zone. Okay, and the stop loss needs to be above the zone. So this is the zone that we enter. Okay, and stop loss needs to be above the zone. On the other hand, if you are trading buy, you will need to enter the trades at the demand zone. Okay, and put your stop loss below the border of the zone. So this is where you enter the trades, and here's your stop loss below the border of the demand zone. Last thing The third reason that we use this trading strategy is that because it has a very high risk per reward, okay, which is the risk reward ratio that we know about. So what is the risk reward ratio? If you have a high risk reward ratio, that means that your stop loss is actually shorter than your take profit points. That makes your risk is a lot smaller than your reward that you will get from your take profit points. Okay, so that's all for today. That's the reasons why we're using this strategy, and it is really works. So I really hope that you learned something new from this video, and I hope that you can use these informations that I told you about to adapt to your trading style and make your profits. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. For today, I have to go now. Bye!